In this video we'll show you 6 toothpaste hacks you need to know. 1. Clean your jewelry. Revive tarnished silver and bring your dull metal jewelry back to life. All you need is a dab of toothpaste and you can start brushing away with your toothbrush. Gently scrub until you have cleaned the entire surface. Now just rinse in water and wipe dry with a soft cloth. Two, eliminate crayon on walls. Kids ended up using your walls as a canvas? No worries, just grab your trusty toothpaste. Place a small amount on a toothbrush and start working it into the crayon marks with a circular motion. Keep brushing until all the crayon marks have been removed. Then wipe clean with a damp cloth. 3. Clean your sneakers. Make your sneakers look like new with some toothpaste. Works great on white soles. Start with a small dab of toothpaste on a toothbrush. Work the toothpaste in with your toothbrush. You can dip the brush into some water to help dilute thicker pastes. Once you're done brushing, you can rinse with some water or wipe clean with a damp cloth. Four, clean smelly hands. Ever get that lingering garlic smell on your hands after cooking? Not to worry, a little toothpaste will do the trick. Place a small dab on your fingertips and start rubbing it in. Once you get your fingers saturated, simply rinse off the toothpaste in the sink and the odor is gone. 5. Soothe bug bites and zap pimples. Got an itchy mosquito bite that's bothering you? A small dab of toothpaste will work wonders to soothe the itch. This works with pimples too, just a small dab before bed and it'll help dry out and shrink your blemish. Six, remove permanent marker stains. With permanent markers, the sooner you attack it, the easier it comes off. Place a small amount of toothpaste on the surface and work it in with a cloth or paper towel. If the mark doesn't come off completely, add a little more toothpaste and keep scrubbing. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.